Raging fevers and cardiac chaos grip the world. The promise of instant healing threatens our survival. Brace yourself as humanity hurtles toward collapse. Imagine never fearing a cut or bruise again. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's what happens, second by second. 5 seconds in, your skin regenerates at lightning speed. Blood clots within seconds, with platelets increasing in efficiency, halting any bleeding. Temperature spikes to 104 degrees Fahrenheit in the affected area as energy surges to power this rapid healing, using ATP at 200% the normal rate. 1 minute later, your immune system is on overdrive. White blood cell count skyrockets by 50% to fend off infection, with neutrophils leading the charge at a rate of 20,000 cells per microliter. Cells divide and replicate at an unprecedented pace. But there's a catch. This insane cellular activity consumes calories at an alarming rate. You're burning 50 calories just to heal a minor scratch, the equivalent of running half a mile. By the 10-minute mark, your body's resources are nearly drained. Dehydration sets in as the process pulls water from every part of your body. You need to restore lost fluids quickly. Over 1.5 liters of water gone in an hour, stressing your kidneys to filter at twice their normal speed. Survivability becomes an issue. 1 hour later, your metabolic rate is in chaos. Every repaired cell demands energy, and your heart races to keep up, hitting 150 beats per minute. Adrenaline floods your system, triggering a fight-or-flight response with cortisol levels peaking. Sustaining this pace without rest leads to systemic exhaustion and potential cardiac arrest. Within a day, the toll becomes deadly. Organs begin to fail as critical nutrients deplete. Your body, now a furnace of activity, can't sustain itself. The very power that could save you now threatens your existence, with liver and kidney shutdown imminent as electrolyte imbalances occur. The peak. An environmental catastrophe unfolds. Humanity's demand for food and water skyrockets, doubling every month to manage the metabolic frenzy. Resources strain to the breaking point. Societies crumbling under the pressure, leading to significant strain on global infrastructure. And here's the twist. You already possess self-repairing abilities. Every time you heal a cut, that's biology's delicately balanced act, one that doesn't demand the impossible.